In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the subscribe form button text in Mailchimp. If you've ever wanted to customize your Mailchimp forms to better suit your brand or message, you're in the right place. This simple process will take just about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. Start by heading over to mailchimp.com. Once there, sign into your account with your usual login details. If you're not already familiar with the Mailchimp dashboard, no worries, I'll guide you through it. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Mailchimp dashboard, which might feel a bit overwhelming at first glance, but don't worry, it's more intuitive than it seems. On the left hand side of the screen, you'll see a menu. From this menu, select Audience. This will lead you to the Audience dashboard. It's important here to make sure you're working with the correct audience, especially if you have multiple lists. If you're unsure which audience you're working with, it's a good idea to double check at this point so you're making changes where they're needed. Next, look for the Forms option and click on it. You'll then see a further option for other forms. Go ahead and select Form Builder. The Form Builder is a powerful tool that Mailchimp offers for customizing your forms. Once you're in the Form Builder, you'll be presented with a drop-down menu. Use this drop-down menu to select the sign-up form. This is where we'll be making our change. With the sign-up form selected, look for the option that says Translate It. A little known feature in Mailchimp, Translate It, allows you to adjust the default text for various fields on your forms. Now find the subscribe field. This is what we came here to change. You'll see a text box next to it containing the current wording of your subscribe button. It might say something standard like subscribe, but you're free to change it to something that better suits your brand's voice. Consider phrases like join now, get started, or anything else you think will resonate with your audience. After you've picked the perfect phrase, enter it into the box. Once you've made your edit, it's crucial to save your changes to avoid losing your work. To do this, simply click on Save and Close. This action will apply your changes and update your form with your newly customized button text. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've tailored your Mailchimp subscribe form to better align with your branding and messaging. Thank you for following along, and I hope you find this customization a valuable addition to your email marketing toolkit.